How to use an external mic and laptop MPC. This tutorial shows you how to connect an external microphone and set it as your default input device. First, plug your external microphone into the correct port, either a USB port or the pink audio jack. After that, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Let me show you. From there, click on System from the left side menu. At this point, click on Sound to open the sound settings. In the next step, scroll down to the Input section. Following this, click on the drop-down under Choose a device for speaking or recording. Once done, select your external microphone from the list of detected devices. From here, click on Start Test and speak normally to check that Windows is picking up your voice. At this stage, drag the input volume slider left or right if your mic sounds too quiet or too loud. Keep in mind, if your microphone doesn't appear in the list at all, check that microphone access is turned on under Privacy and Security and Settings. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to switch back to your built-in microphone. And that's it. If this guide helped you use an external mic and laptop MPC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.